So, I mean, I had a tough time at school. I can't say that I enjoyed an awful lot of it. And actually, I was nervous to come to university because I thought it would be a repeat of the years that I'd had there. I didn't necessarily nestle into a particularly, a social group. I wasn't good at sport. I wasn't very popular. And actually, when you come to university, there's so many more people, and people are so much more mature. They're interested in you. And actually, if you join a sport, if you join a society with people who are like-minded, you're able to fit into a group of people who are very much like you. And when I arrived, I decided that I probably should sign up to a sport. Being quite tall, I thought rowing might be the one for me. And I've never looked back. Walking into the first rowing social was where I met all of my best friends. And yeah, I fell in love with it. It's been a big journey, and I've worked hard over the last 3 years. But starting as a novice in Loughborough, gave me a fantastic opportunity to have access to incredible facilities. If you told me that I'd be sitting here today as the captain of the rowing club, rowing at Henley, having run a marathon in my 3 years of university, I really wouldn't believe you. If you have the mindset to succeed, you will be able to do it here. And there are hundreds of clubs. There are so many different sports. Whatever you can think of, there's a club that does it here. And actually, if you put the work in, over the 3 years, you can achieve more than you could ever dream of. At the end of the day, there's no other university I'd rather have gone to. You're part of a fantastic community when you come here, and I really strongly feel that way. And I've had a really, really incredible time.